Good morning guys, welcome back to my Mumunting channel. For today's episode, I'll be teaching you on how to remove the fog lights for your first gen Hyundai i10. Before we proceed, we have to remove first the front bumper of this Hyundai i10 for us to have an ample space when we remove the fog lights. I encourage you to watch my video on how to remove the front bumper of the i10. Link would be in the description of this video. Unless you want to be hardcore, you can just do this whole process by just going down under your bumper and reach them from the inside. By the way, this whole process depends on what you want to do first. To unplug the electrical wiring of the fog light, all you have to do is pinch both sides here while gently giving it a pull downwards. To remove the fog lights assembly, you just have to unscrew 4 screws located on these sides. Now if you want to replace the bulbs of your fog lights, all you have to do is twist this socket counterclockwise or just follow the embossed direction labeled near the sockets of its housing. If you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe to my channel. I do tech and some Hyundai i10 vlogs. Shout out to my subscribers. Thank you all for making me reach this 375 mark.
Wait, whoa! What the f?
I'm really thankful to all of you. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone.